This is the Orville Redenbacher yellow popcorn, and this is in a 30-ounce container, and let's make some popcorn so you can see it in action. You can make this either on the stove or in the microwave too if you have a silicone bowl. I just love making popcorn, and this is great for parties as well as a nice snack too. And let me put the lid on and put it in the microwave, and I will be right back. Popcorn's ready. Check it out. Look how good it came out. I am ready to take a bite. Look how perfect that is. And isn't this such a cute container? I just love it. Popcorn is such a delightful treat and perfect for even everyday snack. I really love Orville Redenbacher popcorn. Tastes so good. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.